Hey, it's David Shelton, broker at Century 21 Advantage, bringing you another episode of Real Value. And today, man, I've waited for this day. We're in front of 105 North Tumble Creek, right here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, in the Mystic Creek development, Kelly Construction. They're at it again. Hey, so we're inside this beautiful home at 105 North Tumble Creek Circle in Sioux Falls. The one thing that I hear when people enter the home is, oh, wow. And so we're a little early for oh, wow, because the finishes aren't on the fireplace, the flooring's not down, countertops aren't in. We want to get you a sneak peek. You can get a sense of where this home is, where it's going with the styling and all. We've got a feature board that shows you virtually what the finishes are going to be, but there's nothing like walking inside a Kelly Construction home. We're so pumped about it that we just had to get in here a little early and share it with you. So here's your opportunity to create real value. Today, this home is on the market for $715,000. But I can't guarantee you, but I can tell you that it's likely to be worth much more the way home prices are going up. We're not able to bring the Kelly Construction homes that are under construction right now in Mystic Creek. We're not able to bring them on the market and price them yet because the cost of lumber, the cost of finishes, the availability. So the rest of the homes that are available in Mystic Creek that you can come out here and tour, we can send you a link to the new homes. We just can't give you the price yet because they're under construction. The cost of construction materials continues to rise, and rather than taking the home off the market, we just wait until we've fixed all the costs. We know when we're going to deliver, so about 30 days, maybe 60 days before it will actually be completed and closed, we'll bring you that home with the money. But if you want to get your home, you want to get your name on a home, be sure to call me, 605-906-8976. We have plenty of collateral. You can come out and look at the home being built here in Mystic Creek. We'd love to help you out. But let's tour this home, 105 North Tumble Creek. You don't want to miss the opportunity of a lifetime to live in this beautiful home. There's a fireplace here on the main floor. The ceilings are 10 foot and then another foot higher in the tray in both the master bedroom as well as the living room here. Right here behind the camera, where you see a bunch of trim currently stacked, that is a big pantry. I just wanted you to know that. It is really important to have a big pantry, a place where you can do your big shop, have a place to put it all, and we're not through with surprises. But this is a massive island right here. Beautiful cabinetry. Your refrigerator is tucked away into the cabinetry. Very elegant look. You'll have another piece up here where your hood fan disappears into the ceiling, disappears into the cabinetry. A drop-in stovetop. Absolutely magnificent home. You'll notice too when you come in, the windows are massive. One of the signature pieces of a Kelly Construction home is that there's light, natural light coming in from all directions. And so, and these are high energy efficient windows and doors so that you get this beautiful feel and you're not compromising energy efficiency. Gas fireplace, direct vent. This is going to be a gorgeous feature wall with the fireplace here. You look out onto a covered deck area. We oftentimes have people really wanting to snazz up their decks, and we've got some great ideas for that for you as well. That'll be for another video, or you can see it in one of our previous videos. So double oven here. Again, big island. Your dining area is right here. So the traditional dining, open the slider to the covered deck right here. And then have your gas grill out on the deck if you want, or just your deck furniture. A great place to dine. And this is something that we're seeing more and more of. The stairwell to the basement is on the back side of the house, and it's well lit and just beautiful. And there'll be great railing around here. So we don't really want a lot of people in the home right now because of all the construction going on. So that's another reason why we're doing this live video. Right here has been something that's been asked for. We have a powder room right here so that your guests don't need to use one of the 2 bathrooms on the main floor. We have the guest bathroom, the full bathroom for the people living in the home. But if your guests are coming or you're having people over, this is the bathroom, the powder room for them. I'll show you the master suite. It's crazy, but let me show you this. We've got the mud room off of the stairwell, and this whole connection right here is really created a great circulation spine. But in this mud room, it is massive. It is laundry and well laid out, not compromising here. You don't walk into the laundry room or the mud room and think you're in the sort of the dressed down version of the home. This is class from the time that you drive up to your home all the way through. There's a big 3-car garage right here, and it is full of construction products right now. We've got your garage heater plumbed and ready to go for a gas heater, which is incredible. It is finished. This is finished nearly, gosh, as nice as your home. Maybe you want to throw some epoxy down on the floor, a few $1,000 extra for that, and give your garage that same feel. So Saturday afternoons, weekends, weekdays, you want to have guests over, just hang out in your garage. It'd be a great place to hang out. So beautiful finishes. This is the bathroom off of the 2 bedrooms here, kind of creating this almost like another alcove, if you will. 2 sleeping rooms and a full bathroom. Really great tile. Love the features and the finishes. Stephanie Vostad has just done an incredible job. Kelly Construction has brought her on to take care of the design and customer experience part of things. Big oversized windows. 10-foot ceilings allow you to make bigger windows, and you really have that big feeling. And not only are the windows taller, but all of the doors inside the house are taller. So you feel a little bit like, whoa, like you just shrunk a foot. So yeah, so here we are, the second guest bedroom. Again, big double closets in both of the bedrooms, very generously sized rooms, tall windows, tall ceilings, ceiling fans in the bedrooms. And then of course, in most places where the television could be mounted, we've thought about that, put the electrical outlet and the cable outlet right up here so that you don't have a bunch of wires dangling. Careful, careful. So I want to show you the master bedroom before we go too much further. The master bedroom is sweet, and I really like to emphasize that it is a master suite, both S-U-I-T-E as well as S-W-E-E-T, right? So you come now, this is the master, and this entire side of the home is master. So we've got a closet here, which is a guest coat closet. And then from here, you enter the master, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Again, 10-foot ceiling, 11-foot with the tray. We've got just a beautiful, generously sized master bedroom. We go into the master bathroom and on into that big, well, I don't know if I would call it a master closet or a master wardrobe, because we've enlarged these closets so much. So we've got his and hers sinks, counters, and then a linen tower right in the middle, kind of separating out the spaces, which is kind of cool, nice feature. The tub goes right here, window above the tub for privacy, but also letting light in like the rest of the home. We've got light, natural light coming into the bathroom. So soaking tub, two sinks, nice generous counter space, a beautiful walk-in shower. You'll love the finish on this when it's done. And then we're in the master wardrobe, this large closet pocket door here, but a place where you can really decide, what am I going to wear today? You know, and then have enough space to try it on and go. But it's a great, beautiful, big, beautiful master suite We know that you love living here. And if this isn't for you, but you know someone, please like and share this video. Let them know, hey, here's what Kelly Construction is up to right now. Here's where they're at on this home at 105 North Tumble Creek. So let's go downstairs and we'll take a look at what else we have to show you. All right, here we are. We're gonna go downstairs, walk out basement. Come and check this out. So as we land here in the basement, we notice that there's a bar here, an area here to hang out, maybe put a pool table, game table, place to lounge, but big, massive windows, 9-foot ceilings here in the basement. So you're not gonna feel like you're compromised at all. And the other thing that we have, besides the bar, and this will all get tricked out really cool, we've got a closet, to put games in or do storage. Got a beautiful fireplace happening right here. Again, the big windows, covered deck up top equals covered patio down below here, a sliding door out. We've got a generous amount of tile on the inside of the space. It matches the tile here at the wet bar, so that when you go in and out of the house on the walkout level, you've got hard surface there, so you're not, if you do carpet here, you're not going to trash your carpet. So, family room, very big, generously sized. And here we've got a flex room. It cannot flex into a bedroom, but it can be where you have a workout room, an office, a craft room. It's got a nice walk-in closet here. But this is one of those rooms that we find a lot of people that they're doing their, whether it's hot yoga or a workout room, this has become a really important room for a lot of folks. So it's well thought out, it's laid out well, lots of electrical outlets, but super cool. You come out here into a hallway. There's a full bathroom right here, and it's really well done, very nice. And then we walk into the bedroom here. We don't have a light on here, so Greg's doing a great job of adjusting the light. There'll be a ceiling fan here with a light fixture and all, and then double closet. If you wanted to know what the doors look like, this is what the door schedule is going to look like throughout the home. So this is a good example. The signature front door is not in yet because of the construction, but I can guarantee you it's going to be awesome. It'll complement the whole front entry, which will just be mind blower. So we've got 2 bedrooms down here, 3 bedrooms upstairs, 5 bedrooms in all. We've got 1 bathroom down here, 3 bathrooms upstairs. So we have 4 bathrooms total. We've got 2 fireplaces, 1 in the family room, 1 in the living room, open concept, dining, kitchen, living upstairs. When you come downstairs, one nice thing about having the 2 bedrooms down here that are split like this is that you've got an opportunity to have a guest that can just hang out here if they're here like parents or whatever in a prolonged period of time with a sense of privacy, which is really super cool. You're gonna love Kelly Construction. Every single home is unique and yet has been very carefully thought out with you in mind, with your lifestyle in mind. And we see people connecting like crazy with Kelly Construction Homes. And we want to connect with you as well. We've got 1 more bedroom to show you over here. And there's some understairs storage, which is really nice, and it wraps all the way around under these stairs. So one of the things you'll notice about Kelly Construction Homes is that storage is important to you, so it's important to Kelly Construction. And so every home is built with you in mind and with your storage needs in mind as well. I'm trying to find my way around through all that's here, make sure that I make room for Greg as well. So we come into this last area, the last bedroom, number 5 in the house, right here. Again, big windows, 9-foot ceilings in the basement, double closet, big double, yeah, it's incredible. And then we have our last but not least, additional storage area, furnace room, utility room, just set up wonderfully. You're going to love it. And I can't I can't tell you enough how exciting it is for me, and I see homes every day, dozens of them probably every day, and I get thrilled when I get into a Kelly Construction home, and I really love watching them kind of come together. But now we're just weeks away from a finished home, and we want to bring you along on our journey. So bringing you real value right here from Mystic Creek Development in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, 105 North Tumble Creek Circle. This will likely be on the Spring Parade of Homes here in May, so not very far from now. We'll let you know for sure if it's going to be on here. We'll make additional announcements. Stay tuned to our channel, both on Facebook and on YouTube. We look forward to serving you. You can call me anytime at 605-906-8976. Visit us at www.thecentury21advantage.com. Tell your friends, share the heck out of this post, and let's talk your next move. Thanks.